Okay guys, today, oh god, I need this slide on. Okay guys, so today I am going to show you how to put your dishes up faster. Like I already got this first part done. And now I'm going to do my bottom cart. I'll show you guys. Thanks, keep on watching. Okay, so you just, I lost my foot, oh my god, to get it up. And so it's not really that much dishes to put up. And so I already set these up. I gotta go put these up. Okay, look. What if I stop the video? I just like woke up, so I can't stop the video, so you have to see me put this up. Okay, let me get that out. God. Okay, so now that we're done with putting our cups and our bowls away, let's start doing the bottom drawer. So first, you grab all your plates and you put the same plates in the pile. Just here I have a black one and two yellow ones. So I'm going to put the most fragile ones, which is of course the yellow ones. Oh wait. I have to put the black plate on before I put the yellow ones.
I was thinking more like standing on your shoulders, but that worked.
So when you're done with that, you get all your big bowls. You get all your big bowls. I don't remember where this goes, but I'll figure it out. I think it goes in this cabinet right here. And you go to this cabinet. If you have fancy houses like me, you have to go to this cabinet. This cabinet. Okay, so you have your big bowl, and if there's no maker, that my little sister, stepsister, actually. Okay, you might see my leg from the new screwdriver. You're in the oven, or even. No, we're not. Hey, I'm so taller than you, though. And show everyone how much you can sparkle and shine. Okay, so.
One thing is, you're 1 year older than me.
Yep, and you're in 2nd grade, and I'm in 4th.
Yeah, so that's supposed to be like 6.
You're in 2nd grade, I'm in 4th.
You're supposed to be in 3rd.
Nope.
Yeah.
It's either I moved up a grade, or you failed a grade.
I just never failed a grade.
Sure. So I just figured out we have one more cup. Okay, so once you put that cup, you go itty tiny pot. Of course you're
They must be in trouble. I need to find them. All that's out there are dear ticks and unemployment. So, this job means everything to me. I
You put it in the one next to the oven on your left.
Then I got nothing. I have to save them.
And bowls are supposed to go on top, but if you have a bowl on the bottom, take your bowl and you put it under the ones you just now put in. And you get if you have chocolate pen like I do, little sis do, you have to wash the molds because the chocolate will stay in there and you have to wash. Okay, this is burned up, but we can still use it. So if you wash the molds, I actually think they go in here. Yes, these go in here. Like we have this for stepping stones, other molds. All the molds where they're supposed to go. Okay, so once you put all the molds where they're supposed to go, you get your big pot. And like I said, next to the oven on your left. Right there. Oven next to left.
Jesse, how can I
Blue, stay away from the dishwasher. You're not allowed to be there because you break it. Ow. You can also do your dishes hand washed if you don't have a dishwasher, but you're gonna have to like have a palette thing, a towel, and like one of those dish holder things, like this, to do it. But you can also put any sort of dishes, like handmade or dishwash. You can put those dishes up, but it's easier to do dishwash. But if you don't have one, you can do hand wash. You just need a towel and like a dish holder. And so, like I said, big pot, oven next left.
Does a wolf walk on a hallucinate when it rains? I can't believe this is happening.
Jesse, we're so happy for you.
Wait, but that means I wouldn't be able to be your nanny anymore.
We know. We miss you. But this is your dream.
And we don't want to get in the way of it coming true.
We're almost done. We just need to put our silverware away. It's not that much silverware. There's just some right. Okay. I can't really put it on the back camera, so that much silverware. I like have to look down to see. Okay, so first you get like your little sugar scoop and half a cup. You get this half a cup thing, and you put it. I think you put this in the fancy blue thing, and you put this in a drawer. So you should come with me in the fancy blue thing on the drawer. Hey, no, Elsa, step away. Go. Go. No, you can't be next to the dishwasher. Both of y'all can't. Y'all eat everything. Okay, so the blue thing is this. And so you put the black wooden spoon, plastic spoon, in the fancy thing. And you put your little have a cup holder. Stop! Next to oven. Second oven. No, first oven. Second drawer on your left. These dogs keep on licking me. I'm getting tired of it. Okay, so now you go to our knives. Remember, kids, don't play with knives. Sharp, 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 sharp. And I know I'm a kid, but I'm not that yet of a kid. I'm almost in my number 2s. I'm 9, so I get to be in my 10th next year. Oh, you freaking mom. Don't you dare fall down. Okay, so once you put all your knives away, you get forks. Remember, also don't play with forks. They are also sharp. Actually, don't play with any silverware. I mean, like, what's the point in playing with silverware? Okay, so I put my knives there. I put my forks there. And if it's still, there should be like an empty spot. Or more forks. Onto our spoons, and the last thing we do, spoons. Also, don't play with spoons, because what is the point with playing with silverware? Okay, so if you have big spoons, it's really dark right here, so put your big spoons here, where you can hardly see. It's like under the counter, a little bit under the counter, but these are big spoons, and you put the big spoons in the very top drawer, in the very top part, and you put your little tiny spoons in the bottom part. It matters the size, which side they go to, so medium goes in the second one, small goes in the first one, medium goes in the second one. Like I said, don't play with any of these silverware. What is the point? I got an email. Well, who freaking cares? I don't want to check it. What? Okay, so that is it for seeing to put your dishes. Dish is the faster way. It's not kind of like the normal way, but it works for me. It took me longer because I was talking to y'all guys. If I shouldn't have talked, it would have been longer. But like and subscribe. Well, I can't really put a subscribe bar because just like and subscribe. Let's try to get this video to 10,000 likes. And let's get to 1 million subscribers just on this one video that I post. Bye guys, have a wonderful time.